Hey guys, my name is Michael Jessa and today I wanted to make a video on how to review products on Amazon. Okay, so this is going to be a part of Amazon FBA tutorial series in the UK, and we are talking about successful launch of the product. And if you remember, in the previous video I discussed the 2 ingredients to successful launch of a product on Amazon. And we talked about initial reviews, we talked about initial sales. Now in this video, I want to focus actually on reviewers, okay? So let's say somebody sends you a request for review, or basically they have posted their product in a Facebook group saying, hey, I've got this product, I'm launching this product. Could you please review it for me? Okay, great, awesome. Show interest first. Okay, show interest first. So say in the comments, that's awesome, great. I'd like to review this product for you. Okay, and then wait for the seller approval. Don't go to Amazon, don't buy this product just yet. Okay, wait for them, because they may only need maybe 5 reviewers, and there is, 20 or 30 people shown interest. So wait for their feedback, wait for their approval, and as soon as they give you the green light to go ahead and purchase their product, then you need to follow the next step. So first of all, you need to pick the phrase. Okay, so generally speaking, the seller probably listed 1 to 3 key phrases. Okay, 1 to 3 key phrases they want to rank for. They want to rank their product for. So pick one of these phrases and pick it at random. Don't pick the first one, because everyone will pick the first one most probably. So just pick the random one, maybe second or maybe third phrase, and notice the photographs, because you will need to identify this product on Amazon. Okay, so pick the phrase you want to search for and notice how the product looks like. Then what you want to do is to actually go to Amazon, okay, and type in Amazon that phrase. So for example, if I wanted to go to Amazon, okay, and say dog shampoo, okay, and my friend's product, dog shampoo, okay, and then we scrolled through these products. Okay, so let's go back. So the next step you want to do, okay, you have searched for this phrase, then what you want to do, browse through the results naturally. So what does that mean? Okay, in that request, in that review request, they have said, hey, my product for the dog phrase shampoo is on the 5th page, position number 36. So what you want to do is, you don't want to click on that link, you want to naturally scroll through these pages, okay, and go through the first page, okay, then go to the second page, maybe look at this page. So just do this naturally, okay, so it looks natural basically to the algorithm, because that will add to their rankings. And remember, we are all in this together, so we want to help each other. Okay, so get to this 10th page, find their product, so locate their product. Let's just see if I can find this. So just scroll through those results, okay, scroll down, and then okay, it's going to be on the 5th page, and you know how it looks like because you have seen the photo. So for example, this is going to be this product, okay, which I talked about in the previous video as well. So let's scroll down and look for this product. There it is. Okay, so you can see it's right where it should be. They've got 8 reviews for now, hopefully more soon. So basically, okay, go through this product and then just look at the listing, maybe read the listing, etc. Okay, see the photos, see if you like it. Maybe you can give them some tips for the listing, etc. and add your product to basket, buy it now. Okay, and that way you will get this product shipped to you. Browse through the results naturally, identify correct listing, buy the product, wait 1 to 2 days, it will arrive basically. And again, give a day or 2, so don't review the product before it arrives. Okay, let it arrive first, and then give it 1 or 2 days and post the review. So how do you do this? Okay, first of all, log back in to your Amazon account, Amazon buyer account, okay, not the seller account, and click my orders, okay, my orders, and then there will be a button review purchase or review order or something like that. Okay, so that's where you want to do this. Now, how to go about this? Perhaps the seller actually make written some reviews. Okay, so just pick one of these reviews you want to post. Just make sure it's not make sure you consult this with the seller, okay, because they need to send you the review that hasn't been used yet. Okay, and then take some photos of the product. Okay, make your review count. After all, you are getting this product pretty much for free, because you will get refunded for the purchase. So take some photos, make some effort as well, and make this review count, okay, because you may need some help in the future as well. Or perhaps take a short video, okay, of this product as you unpack it, or just make it meaningful, add some flair to it, okay. And then, like I said, log back into your account and leave that review, including the text and including the photos and videos. Photos and videos are optional, but like I said, it will definitely add credibility to this product and will definitely help, okay. And then message the seller back, okay, say, hey, I left you a review, please check, okay. And there are 2 scenarios really, okay. Either review is going to be okay or the review is going to be removed. So if the review is okay, ask them to refund you for the purchase, or they will do this automatically. They should, that's the rule. Make sure you send them the refund details either by PayPal or bank account, and they will basically do this for you. Okay, now if the review is removed for whatever reason, maybe you are friends with Facebook, maybe Amazon don't like this review, maybe something else, okay, I don't know, I think it is a good practice to actually send that product for a refund. Okay, so just simply request return the product in your Amazon Seller Central account. They will come pick that product and it will be sent back to Amazon warehouse, okay, and the seller can actually repackage that product and resell it, maybe to someone else or to use it. But again, discuss it with the seller. I don't think if you follow the steps, I don't think there should be any issues with that right now, but basically that is what you want to do, okay, and that is as simple as that. So those would be the steps for the reviewers, okay. First of all, show interest, wait for seller approval, pick the phrase, notice photo, go to Amazon, search for this phrase, browse through results naturally, identify correct listing and view, buy product, wait until it arrives, wait 1 or 2 days, log back in, write the review or pick the review, take some photos, make a short video, and then message the seller, okay, as simple as that. And guys, if you like the video, make sure to subscribe, because I will be sending tons more videos very soon, as well on how to do Amazon FBA, tons of Amazon FBA tutorials specifically for UK market as well. And for non-students, like I said, if you are interested in that, I will put the links to my free training down below the video. And also, if you want to enroll in my Amazon Bootcamp course, you can do so. There will be link down the video below as well, okay. And the Bootcamp, Amazon Bootcamp, is a 10-week crash course I have that will actually take you from a complete beginner to pretty much your first product launched on Amazon, okay. So this is the goal of this bootcamp, so make sure to check this out, guys, and I'll see you in the next video, okay. Bye bye.